Yo, what's up everyone? It's Bigfoot vlog time. Today, self-care.
Look at this fancy human device. It still works, sort of. A yoga tutorial? Hell yes.
Premium yoga mat, 100% raccoon fur. Don't at me. Bougie forest vibes, bro. Okay, downward dog. Easy, right? My back is screaming, dude. Ah, shit, Timber. Ugh, nailed it.
Minor setback. Don't worry. I'm basically a yoga god. Shut up! Look at this guy. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel the energy. Bro, I feel the crippling pain.
Bro, my knees were not designed for this. Evolution failed me. Send prayers.
Inhale. Exhale. Don't kill anyone. Zen as fuck. Shut up, birds.
Yoga review. 0 stars. Would not recommend. I'll stick to wrestling bears. Later, losers.